Hello teachers, we have found a wonderful plugin to use with the Google Meets so that you can see all your students at one time when they're connected. It's called Grid View. You find it by simply going to right here where it says Show Apps. Go to the web store. Here where it says Search the Store, type in Google Meet Grid View. You just press enter to search. And it'll be the first one that shows up. I've already added it. Click on it. Click on the Add to Chrome button, like you see here for Ducky TV. Follow the directions to install it. It will show up here. It will only activate when you are in the Google Meets. I will, in a little bit, I will include, at the end of this video, I will include a picture of what it looks like from when I'm in a meeting. It will be shortly this afternoon, in a little bit. So, this will help you a whole lot. You can use that grid also as a backup for attendance, because you'll have all their pictures of where they're connected. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.